Hello everyone, welcome to your tk20 student evaluation tutorial. Now that is my best teacher voice when I'm recording lectures for my students. I'm recording this because to me this whole process looks a little different than it has in the past, and I can't find the instructions. You'll notice the URL up here for tk20. And then of course you're going to log in with your username and password that you use for Outlook. So hopefully you've got that handy. I'm going to tell you that tk20 is really running slow. I'm not going to make you watch while I wait for these reports to generate. This is what my screen looks like when it comes up, and you see we have course evaluations. I'm going to click on course evaluations, and then you have to click on reports. And okay, now it's working. And then we're going to do the aggregate reports. When this comes up, you're going to have to choose the semester. Yours may default to spring, so you're going to have to use the drop-down box and choose fall. This course evaluation title, they roll in the email I told you, they rolled these evaluations out twice. So when you click on that drop-down box, you've got 032 and 043. You're going to have to run both of them for each course that you taught. So the total of those is how many students you had. I had 2 in one and 3 in the other. And then of course for courses, you're going to click on the drop down box and choose each individual course, not select all. And then you can just let these default, and then you're going to hit generate. Let me see. And it's going to, you'll see that it's generating the report, and I'm going to stop this recording while this is generating until it finishes. Okay, this is the screen that'll open up after you run it, and this is the analytic display. There's also a data display. It doesn't matter which one you send to me, they both give you the same information. This is just graphic. You'll notice over here that it says export, and when you export this, export it. If you're using the analytic display, you're going to want to export to a PDF, but if you're in the data display, you can export to an Excel spreadsheet. So whichever you want to do is fine with me. Now if I can get this thing to scroll down, and I just can't even tell you how slow this is. Okay, so here's the responses, and I guess I picked the one that doesn't have any responses. However, if you have responses, darn it, you can actually choose to, you can view those, you can view all the responses, and then you can tell it to download to a PDF. And so that's what I want you to do, and just attach those 2 documents for me for the classes that you taught this summer, and you'll have to do this every semester. Thanks. If you have any questions or any problems with it, let me know. If you have issues with passwords, you'll probably have to call tech support to get those reset. Thanks a bunch, and thanks for all your hard work for fall semester.